Hello, I'm Leo Arco, and I am going to share with you a way to use ChatGPT as a travel agent using voice mode. So, this idea came to me when I came to the realization that family is horrible at planning vacations in advance, and I wanted to get a head start on vacation planning for this year. So, the first thing I did is I went to ChatGPT and I said, okay, I want to talk travel. I'm looking for something at the North Shore uh, or something within 4 hours of the Twin Cities that has a good campground. Um, and it initially gave me some ideas, and then I was able to further refine it. Now, this was very easy to do in a conversational mode with voice mode, and it gave me a nice transcript that I could later look back at. Now, in order to do this, it's very easy. You can use either one of the apps. You start a new chat, and you go to voice mode, and then once you go into voice mode, you just start directly having a conversation with it. Now, one tip is I like to ensure that I have good privacy. So I do like to make sure that I don't share any of my information back with ChatGPT or use it for further models. So I do that by going to data controls in general settings, and I make sure that improve for everyone is off. That way, any of this personal information does not go back into the training system. Now, once you have that set, you go back, as I was saying, use voice mode, which is these little lines, as opposed to the microphone, which is dictate. You click on it, and from there, uh, it'll start talking to you. So here, I'll just give a little quick demonstration. I'm looking to a vacation within 4 hours of the Twin Cities that has nice campground and good fishing, looking for some recommendations. Uh, as you can see, it came back fairly quickly, gave me some options. And if you want to go back and look at that, obviously you can further refine this, ask questions. You just click on the X, and here it is. And it even gives you a nice list of sources. So I hope you find this helpful, and you're able to go through and plan your next vacation, and make chat using ChatGPT a little more uh, time saving for your life.